on that, and maybe building on where we ended over here. So, do you think there are natural strengths that women bring to the table as supply chain professionals that helps the organizations progress more on agility, growth, innovation?
So, personally, I don't feel there are any traits specific to men, women. As rightly mentioned by the industry leaders, these are just gendered stereotypes and have nothing to do with the leadership style one brings to the table. But definitely, through the 18 years of my career, I have seen women leaders execute certain qualities that have helped organization. One, by virtue of being women, we are very collaborative in our approach, whether it's execution of our strategies or solving day-to-day problems for the company, or on an overall basis, women are very collaborative and they try to drive their decisions and business objectives through consensus. That is one very big quality that women have, and that has proved our worth to be on the table. Second thing what I find is women are very good with communication. When I say communication, it means with clarity and empathy. It's not always about the facts or data or things on the table or the numbers that are put on the table. It's also about what people feel, how teams feel. So it's laden with empathy, it's laden with consideration, and it's also laden with what will be the impact on the larger pool of people if a certain strategy is executed on ground or certain actions are taken on a day-to-day basis. And finally, what I feel, this is again a personal view, that generally women have to traverse through more challenges, more barriers, have to course through more barriers when it comes to following their ambitions, their career, and that virtue, that by default creates or I would say imbibes a quality of resilience and adaptability in women, which in today's dynamic and volatile world is far more important. So this is what I feel, nothing specific to any gender, but yes, these are the three qualities that I have learned from my leaders and I continue to deliver during the career.